If someone in your family has the flu, follow these tips to keep everyone else in your home from getting sick. First, decide who will play nurse. It's best if only one healthy person takes on caregiving duties. Next, have your sick family member recover in their own room if you can. Stock it with easy-to-reach supplies like tissues, a trash can and bag, and cool water or juice. Encourage everyone else to stay out of the room. Anyone who's healthy should also use a separate bathroom if your home has more than one. Clean the sick person's bedroom and bathroom every day. Disinfect any surfaces they touch, sneeze, or cough on with germ-killing wipes or water-diluted bleach. Wash their bed sheets often too, and dry them on the hot setting. Have your sick family member wear a face mask when they leave their room, or just ask them to use tissues to cover sneezes or coughs. No one should share personal items with them. That includes towels, toothbrushes, clothes, computers, and silverware. And tell everyone in your home to wash their hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds.